In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your company name and logo in QuickBooks Time using the browser version. Branding your account helps your team and clients recognize your organization at a glance, and it makes reports and timesheets look professional. We'll walk through this in a clear, simple flow so you can finish in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and log in to QuickBooks Time. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has permission to edit company settings. If you manage more than one company, confirm you're in the correct company before continuing. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Company Settings. This is your main hub for customizing how your account appears and behaves. From there, select Company Details. This section controls the information that displays across timesheets, approvals, and certain exports. At the top of the page, under Company Info, enter your company name exactly as you want it to appear. Consider using your official or customer-facing name, including capitalization and any suffixes you require. Keeping this consistent with what appears on invoices or HR documentation helps avoid confusion later. Still in that top section, locate the option to upload a custom logo. This is where you'll add the image that visually represents your brand. For best results, use a clear, high-resolution PNG or JPG. A PNG with a transparent background often looks the cleanest, especially against different page colors. If you have a brand style guide, choose the primary logo version and make sure it isn't too small or overly detailed, so it stays crisp when displayed. Click Choose File. Your computer's file picker will open, and you can browse to the folder where your logo is saved. Select the correct logo file, then confirm your choice. If you keep multiple versions, like light, dark, or horizontal layouts, pick the one that will be most legible on standard screens. Now, save the changes. This step applies your company name and logo to your QuickBooks Time account. After saving, you should see your updated information reflected on this page and, moving forward, across areas where your company identity appears. If something doesn't look quite right, double-check that you selected the correct file and that the name is spelled and formatted the way you want. That's it. You've successfully added your company name and logo in QuickBooks Time using the browser. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.